Crocs?
I don't know.
Sweet. This is good television.
It is. I'm glad we're watching it. Maybe they'll show the mascot guy again.
Hey, we just watched Titanic. Maybe it'll do that.
I'll never let go. You lying bitch.
Oops. Sorry. Ah. Seriously, just always some like random film from some cruise ship. Like, what?
Who? Like.
I think that's in Cabo.